Hi guys, so today I'm just going to share with you all a quick video. It's not going to be a recipe video, it's just my husband and I. He's preparing breakfast or brunch, I would say, for me, but I'm also going to help him. Okay, so we're going to put some butter on the griddle. Let that melt. Just move it around a little bit because we're going to start the pancakes first. Drop the pancake batter. You guys can make these as big or as small as you want. And if you guys are interested in this little gadget we're using, let me show you the gadget. I'll link it down below in the description box for you all. Nice. Okay babe, while you're doing the pancakes, I'm gonna put the bacon on. Okay, so I'm gonna put the toast on this side because the pancakes are done. You see that same bacon fat? We're gonna add some onions and peppers. Start sauteing that up. That's gonna be for the breakfast potatoes. So I'm gonna go on with some parboiled potatoes. Boil the potatoes with some salt. I'm adding a little bit of salt because the veggies didn't have any salt. And now we're gonna let those cook until the potatoes get brown. And at this point you don't want to turn it too much because you want the potatoes to get a little crusty on the outside. Just grilling off a little bit of tomatoes and add a little bit of salt on the top for seasoning. Okay guys, look at the lovely platter he put together. We have our pancakes, bacon, sausages, potatoes, tomatoes, eggs, and toast. I prefer the toast plain. I'm not a lover of pancakes. I prefer more French toast. So I will be having regular toast. So if you guys want to see how to make the pancakes and the breakfast potatoes, I have both things on my channel. I will link it down below for you guys to have a look. So we're gonna have brunch now. Thank you for joining me again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.